Hello Hendrickson, it's Mr. Gear here for our topic lesson today. For this term, we are going to be looking at a painting. This is a painting by somebody called John Constable, and the painting is called Flatford Mill. Now, we're going to put that on tapestry for you so you can have a better look at it. But what I thought we would do today is we would look at certain little parts of it before I show you the whole thing so that we can have a look and talk about what it is that we can see. So get your best looking eyes ready. Let's have a look at the first part of the painting. Here we go. This is the first little part of the painting. Can you have a really close look? What can you see in this part of the painting? What can you see? I know what I can see. I can see a horse. Can you point to the horse? Fantastic. And on top of the horse, there's a boy, isn't there? And there's a rope going from the horse, going round something and then going to the other person. And that person looks like they might be next to a river, don't they? And they look like they might be tying something up. Absolutely. And then on the river, there looks like there might be some sort of boat, doesn't there? Fantastic. So that is the first part of our painting. Is there anything on there that you could see that I couldn't? If there is, do a video and let me know. Right, are you ready for the next part? What can you see in this bit? Oh yes, I can see what looks like some sort of house as well. Can you see the house? Can you point to the house for me? Yeah, and it's got some chimneys on it, hasn't it? We've got some clouds at the top. And then down at the bottom, it looks like more of that river with a bridge going across it, doesn't it? And a tree. Is there anything else in the video that you can see that I can't? If there is, again, have a closer look and then put it in a video for me. Right, one more little section to go. What's in this part? Yeah, it's a nice easy one, isn't it? There's some trees, some big trees with some lovely green leaves on them. Right, this is part of our painting. What I'm going to do now is I am going to show you the whole thing, and then we're going to have a closer look at different parts of it. Okay, here we go. You ready to see the whole thing?
Here it is. This is our painting. Now, it's quite a big painting, isn't it? And, like I said before, this is called the Flatford Mill, and it is by John Constable. Let's have a look at this painting in total. What I'd like to really look at is, I would like to look at this bit down here, and the boy on the horse, and the other person down in the river. I'd like to look at what clothes they're wearing. There you go. Now, are they clothes that you would wear? No, they're not really, because this painting was done in the past. So this was done way before we were born, you were born, even probably before your parents were born, and maybe even your grandparents. So this is an old painting. Now, the reason we know that this is an old painting is because these people here are wearing clothes that we wouldn't wear now. But also, normally you'd see some roads, wouldn't you? And what would you see on the road? Yeah, you'd see some cars. Can you see any cars in it? No, I can't either. Can you see any planes in the sky? No, I can't see any of those because when this was made, they weren't invented. They didn't have cars and planes and things like that. So that's how we know that this painting is an old painting. So, this is the Flatford Mill by John Constable, and it's our painting for this term. What I would like you to do is, I would like you to have another closer look at this one. And we're going to put it on tapestry so you can do that. Can you tell me what you can see in the picture? Can you notice anything else that might be different to how we would live today? Number 2, what would you like to know more about? What questions have you got about this? You must look at it and go, I wonder what that might be. Or, I wonder what's going on over here. Or, what are these two doing? I'd like you to think of your questions. And finally, can you do some research with your mums and dads about other paintings by John Constable? Again, we'll put that on tapestry for you so that you know exactly who he is. We'll put some pictures on there as well. So those are your 3 challenges today. Enjoy having a look at this painting, and I look forward to seeing your work on tapestry. Bye!